This is a 1997 Geo Tracker. So this morning I had to put a new pressure relief valve on, and this is the new because it was leaking gasoline out of the vacuum line. This is the vacuum side. So I was getting gas out of here. So watching other YouTubers, they said the diaphragm or whatever's in there is cracks and dries and goes bad. So this is a new one. So as you can see, there's a little clamp down there you got to take off, and then these two 10mm nuts, they come off, and then you got to gently kind of wiggle it off of here and kind of rotate it this way, and then I put a little screwdriver down there to loosen that clamp, of course, and then I pulled on this and kind of pushed on the hose, so I didn't want to pull the hose, and gently wiggle it off, and it came off. So I bought this on eBay, and the bends were not exactly to the original, and here I'll show you the original. Here's the original, well, at least the one that I took off. So the one off of eBay, it kind of looked like it had the correct bends, but things were a little bit off. So I used this this tool that I bought for bending brake lines, that I used to bend the new one back into the shape, of course. So I use this as a template, of course. So this was what it looks like, the original. There's a little O-ring right there that they say put a little lubrication, maybe whatever is appropriate for O-rings. And then, so that's about it. I fired it up, and so far no leaks. But it took a little bit of finagling to get it in there to seat quite right. So, okay, that's it for now.